Hey everyone, David C. Anderson here, coming at you from the Knife Center. We've got some new stuff to show you today. We've got some brand new knives from Todd Begg and Emerson that are just in. Let's take a look. So first up is the Emerson MiniCommander, which is not a new model per se, but we do have some new variants that have just crossed our desk. This is the original with black G10 handle scales and a 154 cm recurved blade. These blades do feature a black coating, as well as Emerson's patented wave-shaped opener, which allows you to open the knife as it's extracted in your pocket. As I mentioned, we've got a couple brand new colors, including OD green and tan. We have both of these handles available with both a partially serrated combo edge as well as a plain edge. And the other interesting thing of note is the texturing on these two colors are a little bit less aggressive than on the black versions. The full-size Commander is a classic tactical knife design, but this MiniCommander version allows it to cross over into EDC use as well. If you're looking for an over-the-top fixed blade to add to your collection, be sure to take a look at these Todd Begg custom modified pessimist fixed blades. This knife features a wickedly dropped recurve blade, as well as a handle that really locks your hand into place into a striking position. The blades on these are made out of N690 steel with a gray Cerakoted finish, and the spine features a sawback for extra style. The handles on these knives are black micarta with a couple of textured sections, as well as a lanyard hole for attaching an accessory. The full tang construction does stand proud of the handles just a little bit, but the steel itself is crowned over, so you're not going to notice any hot spots. If the recurve blade isn't your thing, we also have his Gorilla model, which features more of a spear point design. The swedge here at the front is sharpened at about the last 3/4 of an inch right here for just excellent penetrating power. So these two knives are certainly savage, but if they're not over the top enough for you, check out this custom combat cleaver. Whereas the blades on the other two knives were made of N690, the steel here is CTS XHP. This knife is all about style and certainly makes an impression. More of a small hatchet really than a knife, it just features awesome chopping power. So these are just a few of the brand new items that we've got over at KnifeCenter.com. We're constantly adding new things, and you can see them by visiting the link in the top left corner of our website. If you want to get your hands on any of these knives, make sure to click the link in the description below.